In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check orders on the Timberland official store. Whether you're eagerly awaiting the arrival of your latest purchase or simply want to confirm your order details, checking the status of your order is a straightforward process. Let me guide you through each step to make sure you can easily access the information you need. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the official Timberland website. If you already have it bookmarked, go ahead and open it up. If not, a quick search for Timberland official store in your preferred search engine should take you right there. Once you're on the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make things easier as you proceed. Next, keep an eye out for the track order or order status link. This is typically found in convenient locations such as the website's header, footer, or within the customer service section. They want to ensure that finding this link is as hassle-free as possible for customers eager for more information about their orders. After clicking on the link, you'll be directed to a page that prompts you to enter specific order details. Now, this is where having your order confirmation email handy is crucial. It typically contains all the necessary information you need to proceed. You'll start with the order number, which is a unique identifier for your purchase. It ensures you're accessing the correct details about your specific order. Next, enter the email address you used when you placed the order. This step verifies your identity as the purchaser. In some instances, you'll also need to provide the billing zip code associated with the order. Not every retailer requires this, but it's good to be prepared just in case. With all your information double-checked and entered correctly, you can now click the Submit or Track button. This action will take you to a page displaying the current status of your order. From here, you can get detailed insights like where your package is and its expected delivery timeframe. You'll also find links to the tracking information provided by the carrier handling your package. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently keep tabs on any orders you've placed through the Timberland official store. This whole process is designed to offer transparency and peace of mind while your purchased items make their way to you. So the next time you hit that checkout button, rest easy, knowing you can always check the journey of your order with just a few clicks. Thank you for following along, and happy shopping.